have I been doing this for? I've been doing it for 12 years now, and things have changed a lot in that 12 years since I started. I used to just do everything, like any job that I could get, didn't matter how far. I'd travel an hour for a $50 job when I first started. But then over time you get smarter and you get more business and you get referrals and you get good reviews. So I've worked really hard to get a lot of good reviews over the years. It's always been a fair bit of focus of mine, because I found like reviews are probably the number one thing, I believe, whether it's word of mouth reviews or, in my case, big focus on social media reviews, like on Google My Business in particular, Facebook reviews, etc. Like, social proof is what people want these days, to know whether the service you're providing is going to be value for money, quality, etc., things like that. So my focus now is on jobs in my area. So there's a lot of work around everywhere. There's so much work around. So in my opinion, you don't really need to focus on, well, once you get enough business, once you've got enough revenue, I guess, you can then get a little bit more refined in the jobs that you take and a little bit more selective. That for me, because my focus is on fortnightly maintenance, that I think ongoing, I really want jobs that make sense to do ongoing. So if they're miles away, I'm spending half an hour to get there, or 20 minutes to get there, or even 15 minutes to get there, it's costing me money to drive there, and it's costing me time. And I'd rather finish the day earlier or fit another job in than spend my time driving around to jobs. So generally most of my jobs, I think on average at the moment, are around 2.3 kilometers from home on average. So I've got a few that are slightly further than that and a lot that are under that, but on average, as the crow flies from my house, my average, I'm pretty sure it's 2.3 at the moment, 2.3 kilometers on average. So the benefit of that is, because I've scheduled jobs per day in the same areas, each day would be even a smaller distance traveled, because they're all next to each other, or within the same suburb generally. So that helps me maximize profit, maximize time, and maximize the number of jobs I can fit in per day. And for the client, that increases my reliability. So because I'm not driving all around the countryside to job, it means I can stay on track to be on schedule without, having to get called up going, where are you? Why haven't you been here for weeks? Etc., etc.